Okay, good morning, guys. Uh, Today we are going to start with CFA level 1 class 1, and we will start with quants. So let's begin without wasting any time. Okay, so first of all, I would like to tell you about the interest rates and how interest rates are determined and what is the effect of time value of money on interest rate. So let's start. So interest rates are made up of from two components basically. That is, first is nominal risk-free interest rate and the risk premium. So these two components make the interest rate. For example, if our interest rate is 6%, so 4% would be this part and 2% would be this part. I'm just taking example, it could be other way around as well. So what does nominal risk-free rate include? First thing is the risk-free rate. Okay, so risk-free rate is the rate that is basically decided by the interest rate that is provided by the government of India, you might say, and maybe the government securities. They are basically the best determining factors of risk-free rate. And maybe you can look at the LIBOR as well, is the London interbank interest rate. Okay, and it also includes expected inflation. So obviously, if someone is lending you a money, they want some inflation adjustment money as well, because they are lending you. They If they are lending you, so they need some thing to adjust for inflation as well. Okay, so these two components are included in nominal risk-free rate. Now we will talk about risk premium. Okay, so risk premium includes the default risk premium. If a person is uh, if person has defaulted before, or has a bad CIBIL rating or something like that, that might lead to banks charging you higher interest rate. Okay, so another is liquidity risk premium. Okay, so liquidity risk premium involves the liquid means the assets that are can be converted into money very easily. If you try to sell a house, it might not get converted that easily uh, than gold can be sold anytime and anywhere. So that's the liquidity risk premium. And one more is maturity risk premium. That is, if someone is asking a loan for like 10 years, we don't know today his CIBIL score is good, his rating is good, but in 10 years maybe he can default. But is this a less likely chance of him defaulting in next 1 year, right? So that's the maturity risk premium. If the maturity is for longer term, the risk premium will be more. So these all the things shows how the interest rate should be charged. Okay, now we will start with effective annual rates. Okay, so in effective annual rates, we can see that uh, there are four types of annual rates. First is semi-annual, second is quarterly, third is monthly, and fourth is daily, and one is yearly as well. But you guys, I think you know how the yearly works. It's just the 7 upon 100 multiplied by the principal amount. Okay, so we'll start with looking at the semi-annual compounding rate. It's very easy. If you see, you just I hope you guys have the BA 2 plus calculator with you. Okay, so we will just have to add 1 plus the 7% interest rate. Semi-annual means there will be two installments, so we will divide the 7 upon 2. That would come around point that would be 3.5, and we will add that as 0.035. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Okay, so this would be 1 plus 0.035, and if we add that, it would come around 1.035 power 2. So this is 1.0712, and if we minus 1 by it would come around 0.0712. That is around 7.12%. Okay, it's easy, no? So same with quarterly. If we add this as quarterly, so that would be 1.07175, and to the power 4 719, and if we minus this with 1, we are getting 7.19%. Let's do it monthly as well. 1.0058 power 12. I have not calculated them in decimal fifth place, so it is showing the same figure as above, but it will be slightly more, not much, but it will be slightly more. Okay, so let's do it yearly as well. That's daily compounding. Okay, 1.000192 power 1.000192 power 365, around 7.26, but it's again taking my decimal up to 4 points, and it has calculated according to that. So please change the settings on your calculator if you are doing a much bigger calculation. If you want, I could make a video on calculator as well, how to use it and how to do it. Wait, let me change the format, decimal up to 8 places. Okay, so let's do it now. 1.000192 365. Okay, now it's showing us the exact value. Do you see, guys? So it would be around 7.25%. Thank you so much.